I'm here. Hey. Switch, get up. Come on, that's a flop. And he dropped his stick.
Go. I gave you the warning.
I didn't hear it. Okay. Did you? Yeah. Oh, I didn't hear it. Okay. It's just a little louder for me. That's all game.
He's up here. One ball. Set.
Go. Match up here. Dilly, you're here. I got coming in. Brooker, stay. Yeah, Brooke, you're high. Match up, hey! Match up! Match up! Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Pick, get over. I'm over. Yep. Pick left. Go bench first, Cornbread. Watch bench. Push up.
Talk to me.
I'm here. Cornbread, you're high. Pick coming. Pick left. Ooh. Match up here.
No shot. Let's go, guys. Hey, no more of this period. Hey, fellas, no more.
Yeah!
Balls don't look like they're going in slow motion in the net. Like, they're like...
The change up. Match up, get backside. I'm back. Chris, stay high. Chris, I'm with you.
No boy. He's up there.
Yeah, I got you. Chris, I'm working with you.
You got the ball.
Yeah. Hey, backside. Peck. Get over. I'm up. I'm working with you, stay high. Yep, I'm high. Hey, go. You're okay. Push up, Brooke, push up. Yeah, yeah. Yep, I'm in. Match up! Brooke, one here. Pick, Brooke. Stay in. Yep. I'm with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. Pick up here. Yep, pick left. I'm low, I'm low. Oh, you flop. That's such a flop. Look, you're such a faker.
I'm fake.
Yeah, it looks like it. Terrible acting. Terrible acting.
It's good to be back.
Yeah, thank you. It's good to be back.
That's a little bit of character to the league, you know?
That's what I'm trying to do
More
here.
big body out there cracking the bag, right?
That's what we got to do. Come and pick! Pick!
We're not chopping.
Hey, on your back, on your back! Good soak! Good soak, baby. Stick, stick! I got reverse! I got reverse! Oh my God, shut up.
That is how it works.
Yeah.
That's why we got a bunch, now you get a bunch. It's your turn.
Yeah, yeah. That is easy. That's me playing nice. Backside, hey. Get reverse, get reverse. Hey, match up.